Hello developers and welcome to ApiFlow YouTube channel. And with this video we will start a new series of educational videos related to FlutterFlow and Google Sheets integration and how you can build some advanced scenarios and how you can build like full production working applications using just FlutterFlow and Google Sheets and using ApiFlow as integration service. So we will start with app that will allow us to manage tasks, allow us to manage projects, and we will have our Google spreadsheet with multiple tabs here. One of them is my awesome project, another one is commerce project, and I will show you in this video how to connect this Google spreadsheet to FlutterFlow and how to query list of our projects into UI and show it as drop-down list. So we will start setting up our integration in ApiFlow. First, what we need to open access to our Google spreadsheet. So we will share it with editor access and we'll copy link. Next, we'll go to ApiFlow, create a new project, select Google Sheets as service we want to connect. Next, we need to create Google Sheets connection. Let's name it ApiFlow My Projects Go. And we need to paste document link here. We save our connection. Next, what we need to do, we will mark this option as enabled because we have headers in our tables. We also will enable advanced API operations like list sheets, find sheet, and create sheets because this will allow us to build our full featured demo. And next, we want to dynamically create sheets later, so we will enable access to all current and future sheets in our document. Next, what we need to do, we need to publish our integration. So when we published our integration, we can download API definition, and then we need to go to FlutterFlow API call section and upload our API definitions. This one, and I suppose this one, and upload it to our FlutterFlow project. Next, what we need to do, we need to return to ApiFlow and copy authorization header, then return to FlutterFlow and add this header to our API group. Next, we save our settings. Let's review what our API definition provides us in FlutterFlow. We have all our tabs operations here, so we can read from all lists. We can insert new rows and we can update rows in our spreadsheet, but also we can list all sheets, find sheet, and create a new sheet to API. ApiFlow allow you to manipulate your Google spreadsheet using these operations, and I will show you how to use these operations in this and next videos. So next, what we will do, we will create a new data type to store data about our projects, and I will create a new data type called project. In my project, I will have data that is my list in spreadsheet. So I will have ID and the title fields. As you can see, when we list all sheets from Google spreadsheet, it shows us ID and some titles that we use for our sheet page. So we will add to our project fields called ID. It will be integer type, created, and field title that will be string type, created. And next we will go to API calls, list all sheets, and mark to parse result as project data type, and this will be a list of projects. Then we go to our page and we want to connect returned list to this dropdown, so we will be able to select project we will work with and we will manage our tasks here. So we select our dropdown here in the tree, it's here, and go to backend query section, then add query, select API call, our group, and what we need to do, list all sheets. So we will receive our sheets here, and what we want to do, we want to define options for our dropdown, and also we want to visualize project name as label and use project ID as value. So we will have value and we will have labels. So let's specify that we want to use value data type as integer, and we will map it to list all sheets response, map list items, click on this field, data structure field ID. So we will use ID as value of our list item, and we will use label. It will be as data type, map list item, click here, data structure field, title, confirm, confirm. And initial option value we will set 0, so it will be 0. And now we have our dropdown configured. We connected our Google Spreadsheet tabs to be shown as a list in our application. Let's check how it looks like. So we will run test. So we're waiting when our demo will load. It's rendering now. And as you can see, we have our list of projects here, and we have my awesome project and e-commerce project rendered as list elements, so we can select them and we can see them. We connected our Google spreadsheet and queried for tabs from our document and show them in dropdown in FlutterFlow. In next videos, I will show you how to create the new tabs in Google Spreadsheet, and I will show you how to query different pages and show data from them in this table here. So we will have project and we will have all tasks that are related to this project. Thank you for watching this video. Check our next video in this series of building project management system using FlutterFlow and Google Sheets. Have a nice day.